where sky meets earth in silver hue. Echoes of the Highlands call to me through the glen and o'er the sea, whispering tales of days gone by, beneath the moon, beneath the sky. The streams still sing the same old song of love and loss where hearts belong. The stones remember every name, their silence speaks, their soul the same. Echoes of the Highlands call to me through the glen and o'er the sea, whispering tales of days gone by, beneath the moon, beneath the sky. And when the morning mist shall fade, I'll find the place where dreams are made, where spirits dance and twilights glow, and every heart remembers home. Echoes of the Highlands call to me through the glen and o'er the sea, whispering tales of days gone by, beneath the moon, beneath the sky. So let the mountains guard my rest, the Highlands hold